we are. We are. Let's see. Let's do a little intro here. What's up, guys? This is Boris Mo Crypto. I'm your host, John, and today on this episode, we'll be doing some live scalp trading. But before we get to it, we have some things that we have to go through before we start trying to make some money, so we don't lose any money. So the first things we gotta touch on: what is scalp trading? I'm gonna give you the definition I got from ChatGPT. Scalp trading is a strategy where traders make quick, small trades to profit from tiny price movements. It's all about capturing rapid price changes within minutes or seconds to accumulate small gains over time. This approach requires constant monitoring of charts, quick decision making, and a focus on technical analysis. Keep in mind that while it can offer fast profits, it also involves higher trading costs due to frequency of trades. So right now, I'm going to ask Crypto Poppy if that's correct. Does this sound correct?
Yeah, I mean, to the definition, that's spot on of exactly what scalp trading is.
So, all right, my next question would be, how much of a relevance does scalp trading have in the crypto market?
I mean, really, if you're disciplined enough, you have the time on your hands, scalp trading could be extremely profitable. But again, just like it says here, it requires constant monitoring. Whenever you're in a trade, you can't really, I don't want to say you can't take your eyes off of the computer screen or whatever you're trading on if you don't have your stop loss and your take profit, already in the order books, then, you would want to constantly monitor it.
So you would, I guess it's fair to say, it will be higher stress than what we've been doing ourselves right now.
Yeah, of course, because scalp trading requires a lot more hands-on work. So you really have to pay attention to it. But again, just like with how we're long-term investing and dollar cost averaging, we buy, we don't really have a stop loss because we plan to continue to buy if price keeps going down, but we do have take profits. We do have sell limits, as we would call them. So, I mean, that would transition over to scalp trading as well. You would have your entry price, probably have some ladder buys, so where you're buying at multiple times if your analysis is showing that the price is still going to continue to go down or continue to go up, regardless if you're longing or shorting the market, then you would have your stop loss, then you would have your take profit. So if you're disciplined enough to stick to that, then scalp trading, is very carefree, very stress-free, I would say.
All right, so let's get to the charts now, so we can start this. Let me see this. No, what is it? Webcam. No, sorry guys. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we're on the charts. So let's go through a few steps that we got here written down. We're gonna discuss the process of setting up your trading platform and your charts and indicators right now. So we're on trading view. This is where Crypto Poppy does most of his analysis, and then he just goes to his whatever exchange he's using at the time to trade. What are some of the exchanges you used before to trade?
For scalp trading specifically, BitMEX was probably my favorite. But since we're here in the United States, you would need a VPN. And also, if you're using a VPN where, we're in the United States, where we're not supposed to be trading, you really wouldn't want to be trading with too much capital.
Yeah, because of the, you could lose your money very quickly. Somebody catches onto you, boom, locked out of your account.
Exactly. And before we started this is what we were talking about, is where in the United States, with what exchange could we use based in the United States that has very low fees when it comes to scalp trading? Then if Jonathan does want to get into this, then we would need somewhere that would offer long and shorts for scalp trading with low fees that that allows US users.
Yeah, because when you're scalp trading, you are doing multiple trades, and each trade costs something. So you're getting charged a fee for each trade. That's how the exchanges make their money. Every time you're buying or selling, they take a little cut of that.
And scalp trading, you're doing both. If you're doing a short, you're selling, and then when you're getting out of it, you're technically buying.
Yeah, so.
And vice versa. Long, you're buying, then taking profit, you're selling. So you're getting hit with that fee
multiple
both
times. Yeah, multiple.
And if your stop loss hits, it's a fee to get out of it as well.
Oh boy. So yeah, so there's no free meal in crypto either. On any type of trading. You know, they're trading, even though we're doing swing trading, we're gonna get a fee. That's gonna be a big ass fee once we start taking profits on that. But that's just how it is. So I guess you could just take it from here. See what would be the first thing about the trading platform that you want to talk about?
I mean, really, with the trading platform, wherever you could have a low, super small fee that allows longs and shorts, that's the go-to. And that's something we're going to have to look into as US users. But we could get into how to set up a scalp trade and how we would go about setting up a scalp trade. So here we're on the Bitcoin paired with the US dollar. Each candlestick represents 1 week worth of data, and the data is coming from Coinbase. So scalp trading is intraday